We're interrupting programming to bring you breaking news, taking you live to the Norfolk Superior Court in Dedham. This is Judge Beverly Cannoni. She just said that the jury is at an impasse in the Karen Read murder trial. That jury walking in now. There you're looking live at Karen Read. Of course, Read is accused of hitting her boyfriend, Boston police officer John O'Keefe, in January of 2022 and leaving him to die. Her attorneys say this is all a police cover-up. The jury has been deliberating for about 24 hours after an 8-week-long trial. They have twice now told the judge that they are deadlocked. Earlier today, the judge issued the dynamite charge called the Tui Rodriguez instructions, asking them one more time to do their very best to reach a verdict, encouraging them to look at arguments from the other side, a final push to come to a verdict. Again, she said the jury had been at an impasse. We're going to listen in now and see what they said.
We continue to find ourselves at an impasse. Our perspectives on the evidence are starkly divided. Some members of the jury firmly believe that the evidence surpasses the burden of proof, establishing the elements of the charges beyond a reasonable doubt. Conversely, others find the evidence fails to meet this standard and does not sufficiently establish the necessary elements of the charges. The deep division is not due to a lack of effort or diligence, but rather a sincere adherence to our individual principles and moral convictions. To continue to deliberate would be futile and only serve to force us to compromise these deeply held beliefs. I'm not going to do that to you folks. Your service is complete. I'm declaring a mistrial in this case. I'll be in to see you privately in a few minutes. So thank you so much for your service. Okay.
All rise for the court, please. Thank you. Be seated. Court is still in session.
All right. I'd like to pick a status date to find out what our next move is. So I'd like to come back sometime maybe the end of July. I understand people have vacation schedules. Can we come in the week of the 21st?
That's fine.
No, I'm just looking at my calendar. Could we do the 22nd at 2 p.m., Your Honor? And I would appear for my client.
All right, is there another day that week? Could you do the 25th or 26th?
Unfortunately, I think I'm supposed to leave the vacation on the 25th.
Okay, the 22nd and the 24th are not great dates, so.
What about the 19th at 9? Is that whole week?
No, that week's not good. Teaching that I cannot get out of.
Can we do August 7th, 8th, 9th? Any of those days?
No, we'll do the 22nd. We'll go back to the 22nd at 2. I can't let it go that long.
Your Honor, so the court knows Ms. Little and I are not available on the 22nd. We had a hearing in Los Angeles on the 22nd.
Okay.
We're proposing to appear remotely anyway.
Okay.
But for a status conference, I don't want the court to think it's disrespectful to the court, but Ms. Little and I probably will not appear.
Okay. So you and your client will be here in person, Ms. Giannetti?
Yes.
All right. All right. Thank you. We'll see you then.